right, man, this is it. First project in the new booth for you guys. This is about my 5th project that I've painted in here so far. But real quick, do want to give appreciation to my boss for allowing me to be able to continue with my content in here on his projects. So yeah, definitely appreciate him for that. Now let's get to it. We're gonna talk about the critical masking. This is a Silverado 5500 HD, as y'all can see, Duramax 2021. This bad boy is a beast. It's freaking huge. Like, my head is not even, barely. Boop. So yeah, anyways, let's talk about the critical masking. Critical masking is everything. I gotta make this quick while I'm on my break. Critical masking, I call it critical masking because it's critical, and I say that because this will determine your paint job. This will instantly determine how good or bad your paint job will be. And it has to be very, very on point. You cannot have a 99.9% ratio when it comes to masking. It has to be 100% all the time. Got it pretty much all the way masked up, as y'all can see. As far as the tedious stuff, now we got our plastic over here. We're gonna throw our plastic. We're gonna cover up the whole truck, and I'm even gonna tape to the ground. I normally don't do that, but this is a really, really nice truck, so you want to make sure that there's absolutely no overspray. So you will have to go above and beyond when it comes to masking. So that is what we're going to do. I'm gonna throw some plastic over it and probably just tape all the way around on the floor to make sure that overspray doesn't come up, because it will. Even though we got a good booth, you still don't want to risk it. It's still, you can still have overspray issues in a booth. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll cut y'all back on and show y'all how we looking. Yeah, buddy, got this bad boy masked up and ready to spray. Like I said before, the most important part is demasking. That'll determine whether or not you got rework. And me, Bezo, I hate rework. I do not like rework. So I try to make sure that everything is masked correctly. Everything is ready to spray. That's why it's a little above and beyond, as y'all can see. But I know for a fact that it's gonna do the job. It's gonna hold. So looking forward to this painting process. We got the pressure pot right here. I think it's about 5 quarts. I think a little more than a gallon, I believe, somewhere around there. But I'm normally used to my gravity fed DV1 developers, paint gun. We got the pressure pot. So same rules apply. It's just a longer hose, a long hose, and it's 2. One is for fluid and one is for air. It travels way down there. So yeah, just gotta get adjusted to that. Not a biggie. 6 to 8 inches from the panel that you're gonna be spraying, or the surface that you're gonna be spraying. Already got it tack ragged, and I did a little bit of wax and grease remover on my areas before I primed it. Tack rag, you can get this from AutoZone, O'Reilly, even Walmart. This will just assure that you have removed the dust, anything loose that's on the panel or on the surface that you're gonna be spraying. This will just pick that up. So definitely want to get a tack rag. It's kind of sticky, in case you guys want to know the texture of it. Yeah, it'll pick all of that up. This process is gonna go pretty smooth. I feel it. I'm feeling good. Feeling pretty confident. Got to get up in there first. You kind of want to work with the booth. You kind of want to start from the front and work your way back. And then how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna keep all the doors closed. I'm gonna do 2 coats, and after I'm done with my last coat, I will open everything up and jam it one good time. That way, nothing dries up before I finish it. So yeah, that's the process that I'm gonna be doing this with. I got a little bit of remask, and I accidentally masked it up, and then it was closed, so I had to reopen it. But make sure your masking is 100%. You do not want to have to go back over anything. It's going to be a longer day. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. Shoot, got some pieces right here. They ready to spray. Everything's ready to spray. I already got everything prepped up. I'm on my break, so if I can figure out a way to set this camera up, I don't have my tripod, so I might do a little tutorial as far as my 50% overlap, showing you guys that. But let's get it. About to jump into this bad boy right now. seen it yet. Nah, let's check him out. Let's see what you did, Bezo. Alright. Looking good. Can't complain, alright. Like I said, you ain't about to get no glass results or nothing like that, but it looked good. I'd drive it. Shit, if I was still in school, I'd drive it to prom. You know what I mean, man? Pull up in this big body with the crane. Door handles your height. Nah, this thing look good though. Ooh. Can't forget the final touch. Y'all need to go ahead and bolt this bad boy down. Nah, man, it definitely looks good. Laid down exactly how I wanted it to. Well, could have been a little bit better. I had a dry shot over here. Buffed it out. Everything else, well, I had a run over here. I went ahead and fixed that. Buffed it out. Yeah, there we go. Shoot, it looked good, man. Tell me what y'all think. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more detailed. This was the first project I had to record, so still trying to kind of get used to it. Recording, you know, so got some pieces over here that I went ahead and painted. Inside, so pretty much how I did this with the inside, I used to paint planes, and obviously you can't walk on wet paint, so you gotta figure out the best way you can try to spray an area that you can't double back on. So, like I said, with you guys watching me, how I did, I know I kind of explained it. You just want to make it to where you can paint it one time. So obviously I did one coat in my walkway, hit it pretty heavy, just came all the way down. Looks great. Masking, did pretty good on masking. I don't see no major issues. Maybe have a little bit of, not this one. Oh yeah, gotta wipe some overspray off. Look, it's crazy because I be forgetting that I need to do something. So wipe a little bit of overspray off, kind of wipe the wheels off, do one last little touch up. I believe it'll probably be getting sent off. Somebody's gonna be happy about this truck right here. There we go. Man, thing is a beast. So yeah, man, we having fun with it. Finally got this bad boy finished. Can't wait to get the next project. I don't know what it is or what it'll be, so y'all stay tuned on that. But tonight we're gonna go back to the shop, finish up on this MC, and then hop on the next few projects. So y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot going on, got a lot of work to do, got a lot of content to be made. So y'all stay tuned. Gotta clean my gun out, my little pot, got a lot of trash over here. Load these pieces up and we'll get wrapped up, and then I'll cut y'all back on once we get to the shop. Y'all stay tuned.